Hello, my name is Miss Jill and I work at the Upper Library. Welcome to Kids Can Cook. And today I have a special helper here today.
My name is Kadence.
And Kadence, what is your favorite food?
Cookies.
Cookies. I love cookies too, any kind of cookie. Do you have a special one that you really like?
Chocolate chip.
Chocolate chip. Oh yes, those are some favorites. But today we are going to show you how to make a bunny out of pancakes, and it's going to be really fun. But the ingredients that you need to make these,
We have pancake batter and then water.
and then to make some decorations for it, we have some bananas and some coconut, some chocolate chips, and then to make it really fun, we have some whipped topping. That makes it really neat. Okay, Katie, to begin with this, we need to have 1 cup of the pancake mix.
Okay.
So I will let you go ahead and dump it right inside there.
I'm not really sure I can do this.
That is okay.
Oh.
With the pancake mix, you use like a cup of that, and then you have a cup or a half a cup of water. So the water is half of whatever you put in for the pancake mix.
There.
Nope.
Oh.
Oh, well, you got it on your hand. Keep putting it in because we want to have it level. We're going to make lots of pancakes. That's okay. There. And we'll
It's
just
not
kind of.
agreeing with me.
You know what? I should have put that in a bowl. That would have made it easier for you to dish it out. Okay, so Katie, if you would go ahead and put it right inside here. And then, lots of times, I just use a rubber scraper to stir things up. And so, Katie had gotten a half a cup of water, so we're going to go ahead and mix that up. Katie, I'm not going to put all the water in. We're just going to kind of look. I'll let you start stirring that. Because you want it not too runny, but just right. Oh, it needs more, doesn't it?
Yeah, probably.
There. Still have just a little bit in the cup, in the measuring cup. And Katie has told me she really likes to cook. And her grandma especially allows you to cook, doesn't she?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I think we need the rest.
Yeah.
I'll dump all that in,
I can go do
and
that.
we'll see how that goes. And we have been heating up a griddle or a thing that we cook the pancakes. We have been heating that up. I put a little bit of Pam or a spray on there so that our pancakes won't stick.
I think
And
it's
we're
good.
going to be putting those on in just a moment. Katie's mixing this up really good. But the shapes that we're going to make in order to make a bunny pancake, we're going to have a large pancake, and that is going to be like the body. A medium-sized one, that is going to be for the head. 2 smaller ones, that's going to be for the feet. And then, if you can, you try to make some for the ears. And so we're going to be doing that. And then we'll come back and show you how to put the bunny all together. Okay, we have cooked our pancake. And Katie, could you show everybody? We have, if you just want to tip up the plate. Okay? So we have the big pancake right down here. The 2 smaller ones, that's going to be for the rabbit's legs. Here's our head, and here are the ears. Now, Katie, how about if you take the 2 small ones, put them up around where they would be for a real rabbit. And then she is going to go ahead and put a banana on each. There we go. Along with 3 chocolate chips. And that is like for the paws of the rabbit. And you know what? I'll see if I can hold this up so everybody can see. There we go. Katie is doing a really good job. Maybe someday she will be a chef. And we'll say, oh, she got started here at the library.
It won't stay.
Do the best you can. Maybe poke it in. Poke it in the pancake. There we go. And Katie did tell me she likes coconut. And they said that you could use the coconut for the very top of the rabbit's head. Because you know rabbits are so soft, and maybe they're using the coconut as to represent something that's really, really soft. And then for the last one, that is the fun one when you're trying to do the rabbit's tail. Okay, do you want to put a little bit of coconut up here by the head? And the coconut is right inside there. There are some people that don't like coconut. Coconut is one of my favorite things. I'll put it in cookies or cakes.
When I get older, I'm probably gonna make an entire coconut cake for a person who likes coconut.
Oh my, well maybe I would be able to get a piece of that. Okay, do you think you have enough coconut on? Yeah. Okay, then Katie is going to use our whipped topping, which is in the can. Shake it up just a little bit. They said to shake it gently, and then she's going to put it right in the center of the body, and that is going to be the rabbit's tail. And there you can see the masterpiece that Katie has made. Katie, you are a very good cook, and I thank you for coming to the library to help
No
us.
problem.
Very good. Okay, we'll see everybody later. Thanks for joining us. Bye-bye.
Bye.